Wall Street is set for a higher open on Super Thursday. The European Central Bank left its rates unchanged as expected. The central bank upgraded its growth forecast but slashed inflation projections. And in the UK, voters headed to the polls. We are seeing that opinion polls are giving the Conservative Party the lead so far. Meanwhile, here in the U.S., the testimony by former FBI Director James Comey before the Senate Intelligence Committee begins this morning. In the previous session, U.S. indices closed higher, boosted by shares in banks, diversified financials, as well as semiconductor and semiconductor equipment sectors. And on the economic data front, MBA mortgage applications jumped by 7.1% in the week ended June 2nd. As for advancers and decliners, on Wednesday, 61% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher. In after-hours trade, Post Holdings announced additional share repurchase authorization of $250 million. The company says this authorization is in addition to the previous one for up to $300 million of share repurchases over 2 years. There's approximately $48 million remaining as of May 31st of this year. Now, Tyson Foods has completed the acquisition of Advanced Pure Foods Holdings, that is, through a tender offer to purchase all the outstanding shares of common stock of Advanced Pure for $40.25 per share in cash without interest. Looking at overseas markets, Asian markets are mostly higher today. The Nikkei was off 0.4%, but the Hang Seng gained 0.3%, and South Korea's Kospi was higher by 0.15%. European indices are gaining ground today. Looking at the S&P 500, the key resistance stands at 24.35 on an intraday basis. Short positions below that level are preferred, with targets at 24.25 and 24.21.5 in extension. As for the Nasdaq, consolidation is in place, and for the Dow Industrials, the key resistance stands at 21,160.